Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah, and someone sweet has requested a wedding guest makeup tutorial and you know I had to deliver it. So in today's video, I'm going to share a stunning yet simple wedding guest makeup look that is going to be elegant, long lasting and total beginner friendly. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching this video. I'm starting off with the highlighting primer. This is from Swiss Beauty. It gives the skin the natural glow that we want from the start, and it adds that healthy shine underneath the makeup without making you look oily. It just adds a soft radiant glow. Now for the brows, wipe them clean so there's no skincare or foundation remains. So I'm lightly filling the sparse areas and brushing them for the clean and natural look. We are not going for that bold and dramatic eyebrows today. We are going for just soft, defined to frame the face. Next, I'm using an orange color corrector to color correct my face. I have some pimple marks and dark spots, so I'm using an orange color corrector. If you don't have any spots and pigmentation, you can completely skip this. Now for the foundation, I'm applying a medium coverage base, something comfortable and long wear. Once it is on, I like to lightly mist setting spray before blending my foundation. It helps the foundation melts in better and makes your foundation or base long lasting. Now just blend everything in with a damp sponge or brush. This part is very important, so take your time, make sure it looks even and skin light. No harsh lines, no patchy spots, so take your time. Now for the concealer, I'm using a concealer shade lighter than the foundation and apply it under my eyes, around my mouth area, on my nose and my forehead. Then I'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then blend it. With a damn beauty blender, you can use brush if you want. Now for the blush, I'm using 2 different cream blushes and I'll mix it together and create my own. You can use whatever blush you have or you like. And I'll apply it on my cheeks and blend it a little upward for that lifted look. Now for the contour, I'm using this stick which is from NYB and I'll apply it on my forehead, little on my cheeks, on my jawline, and I'll blend it with the brush, blend it upward for that lifted look. Once all the cream products are blended, I'm going to set everything in place with a light layer of loose powder, especially around my T-zone and my under eye area. Then I'm adding a soft powder blush over the cream blush just to lock in the color and make it pop a little more. Then I'll go with another round of setting spray at this stage just to melt all the powders together and make it look natural and skin-like, not cakey. This step makes such a huge difference. You should definitely try this. Now for the eyes, I'm starting with a light brown shade as my transition shade. Then I'll use this dark brown and apply it on my eyelid and blend it with the transition shade. Then I'll use this color and create a V shape on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it. Tight line your eyes, curl your lashes, apply mascara. You can use falsies if you want more drama, but mascara also works perfectly for a softer look. Now I'm adding highlighter on the top of my cheekbone, nose, brow bone. It just brings the whole look together and gives that wedding vibe that we are looking for. For the lips, I'm using a lip liner and I'm going to line my lip and lightly blend it with the brush for the diffuse liner look. Then I'll use this lipstick and lightly tap it on the center of my lips. Then for the final touch, I'm going to use the gloss for that juicy and fresh finish. And that's it, a sweet glowing look that will last throughout the wedding, perfect for a wedding guest moment. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.